Alright everybody, welcome back. Tonight I'm going to be looking at, I bought a universal tail plate mount. Got a zip tie on it right now. Let's see if I can get something a little better than this. Get it mounted up on there. I did get it plated, got it registered, titled, everything else. So good to go. It's a really nice bike on the road. It's really comfortable. It does good. No complaints so far, but I'm going to try to get this license plate mounted up. Looks a little better. So I think what I'm going to do is try to use the factory holes somehow. I don't know, mount this thing up there. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to take his tail light off and see what it looks like. Well, okay. Now, let's see here. So I think I'm going to have to get longer screws. Yep. Yeah. No. I think I'm going to do take this holder. And the holes are pretty darn close. Now, a little bit short. I'll look around so I can find some screws. I think that'll work pretty well if I can get some a little bit longer screws. Alright, give me a second, I'll look back. Alright, well, it's not pretty, but I'm going to go ride tomorrow, so I had to use what I had. Took my light cover, bent that plate a little bit. I might get some different hardware, but she's on there. We'll see what happens. Goes. Oh, there we go. It doesn't look super pretty, but this one will fit in here. I think it'll work. Yep. Oh. That one a little bit too long. Maybe not. Didn't come through the top. A little extra sport there. Okay. Well, I think that'll work. I'll find some other screws to put this thing on with, but I don't know. It was $5, as you can tell. Let's see. It may last one ride, I don't know. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna find some screws to put it on there. There it is, the finished product. I think the only thing I messed up on, I think I mounted the thing backwards. But, oh well, it'll work. At least for now. Thanks for watching.